like the tide falling in the ocean. How I just want to punch people in the face. I hope you guys are having a better week than mine. Oh my god. Hi, so I thought I'd start this vlog now. I finished the selected letters of Jane Austen and I loved it. It was really fun. I tapped a lot. I don't know if you can see. It was so informative, like not just the letters, it informed you about so much about her life and her family and the places where she lived and her novels and the time she lived in, and it fits the prompt because it has maps in it. So I am done with one of the prompts for the magical readathon, Orilium, which is the novice path entrance. Done. So now I go to the ash thorn tree. So G said that there's these options now. Every time you go to another prompt in your quest, there's these options, and the options for the ash thorn tree were like you hear voices coming out of the tree, and the tree is like filled with runes written on it, and but people say that you cannot touch the tree because it's like a very powerful thing. So she gave us 4 choices that she says will affect you in the end of our readathon. So the first one was to just respect the tree and go your own way. The second one was to get a notebook and write down the runes you see on the tree. The third one was to lie down and just listen to the voices and meditate and listen to the voices. And the third one was to go ahead and touch the tree and see what happens. So I chose to write down the runes and save it for myself and try to translate it and research it later, because I'm not about to touch it because I don't know what's gonna happen to me. I'm not about to just go and not care about it and go on my way, and I'm not about to just lay down and meditate because I don't meditate. I can't meditate. I don't know how to. My head is like anxiety station, so I don't know how to. So the ash thorn tree, the prompt is to read a book with that's been tempting you for some time, that's like in your TBR pile, you know, on the top. And for me, I don't know why, but it's Rebecca by Daphne du Maurier, and I have this really pretty copy, but it's like really hard, you know, it's not floppy at all, which I'm finding kind of boring, annoying. But I'm saying this and I haven't even started it. I'm like here on chapter 1. See, I haven't started it. I've read and reread this first sentence like a million times and I don't start it. I don't know why, but my plan is to start this one tonight. And I've fallen behind a lot because my plan was to read the 10 books the 7 books from the prompts and the 3 books from your character. But it's September the 10th, and I've only finished 1 book, so that's impossible. And she said you will have succeeded if you finished at least 2 prompts. So I am eyeing finishing 4 or 5 prompts at least, which is already kind of sad because I won't be finishing everything which I wanted to. But anyway, I am having a drink and thinking about how life has been sucky these last few weeks, months. How I just want to punch people in the face, specific people. But you know, I rise with my red hair, just like it's tattooed on my arm now. That's what I have to do. I won't be down for too long. I will rise, and I may cry at night, may have a sob session, and listen to Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd, and Hurt by Johnny Cash, and Anyone by Demi Lovato, and Asleep by The Smiths. Don't listen to these songs. Don't. I'm telling you right now, do not. You'll like enter a black hole. It will suck you in. It's magic. It's dark magic. It'll suck you in and you will have a tough time getting out of it. But anyway, I'm gonna go have a shower now because it's really hot, and I want to watch some booktube first, and then I'm gonna try to start Rebecca, and then I'll finally know why Tolerated by Taylor Swift is inspired by this book. That'll be an accomplishment. But anyway, see you soon. Bye bye. Spent like an hour moving stuff around and organizing my art because I want to open an Etsy shop soon. Why is it so bright? I want to open an Etsy shop, but it for my art and stuff, but I know that it's gonna take a long time before it opens because I have to deal with first making all the art digital, and sending orders for bookmarks and postcards and stuff. I'm gonna have stuff to do like for custom. But anyway, miles ahead. And but anyway, it was all over my room, everything, all the art I own, and I just got everything in one single drawer, and now I'm feeling kind of more calm about it. But Rebecca's still here and she hasn't been read, not even a single page. I discovered that there is the audiobook of Rebecca in Scribd, so I might try that. But I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. It's 10:20 at night. I'm gonna make myself like a smoothie, and then I don't know, I just got no energy to do anything, not even read, which is sad. But anyway, talk to you soon. Bye bye. I'm just gonna keep watching the pretty light. Just around the walls. Why is this so peaceful? I love it. Hi, so I'm finishing this vlog here. It's been too long already. I'm having my coffee in the afternoon and I have a psychiatrist appointment in an hour and a half. But I received 3 packages. I thought I'd open them with you too, so it's probably gonna ruin some book haul I'm gonna do in the future, but anyway, let's do it. So the first one is from Amazon. I literally have no idea what this is because I bought so many stuff. Wow. Okay, so this deserves a story. Wow. I discovered this new publishing house here in Brazil called Dark Side, and they make the pictures of the books were just to die for, and I was like, I have to try this because this is amazing. But in the website of the Dark Side books, their books are really pricey, but if you go to Amazon, they're all on sale. So the thing is, they don't if you buy in the Dark Side website, they come in a little box and they come with a little gift for you, but in the Amazon it just arrives with the book. So I'm just like, wow, this is so beautiful. I'm just gonna show you now. It's this one's called Immortal Fear. Look at this. And it's from the, they say, the Supernatural Academy, Brazilian Academy of Literature. So it comes with a bunch of famous authors. So Machado de Assis, Álvares de Azevedo, Aloysio Azevedo, Afonso Celso, Ingrid de Souza, Alfonso Aurino, João do Rios. But it says in the thing that I was buying that in the academy, the Brazilian, when this book was first published, the Brazilian Academy of Literature wasn't accepting women, so they put a women author in this book. So it's Julia Lopes de Almeida, which is really cool. So it's just really scary. Wow. It's just really scary tales by Brazilian authors. Supernatural, scary. Look at this. I mean, it's so well made. Look. It's really beautiful. And then it has an introduction. And oh my god, every character, every writer has a caricature of his own. So this is Machado de Assis. Oh my god. And his story, let me see. Oh, there's a bunch of stories. Machado de Assis. That's really cool. I'm like dying to read this now. I think this one, Night in the Tavern, I've already read for my SATs here in Brazil, and it traumatized me. But yeah, I'm trying to find another one of. So this is the Fagundes de Farella character. I don't know. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at the spine. Look at the spine. Oh my god. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I bought another one from the Dark Side books, and it's about two of the most like famous crimes that happened here in Brazil. And it's like police documents and forensic stuff, and I just thought it was amazing. But this cannot be it because it's really light, so this is another something else. So let's see what it is. Oh it's so cute. It's my copy of the Alienist by Machado de Assis. It's really cute. I'm just gonna take this off the plastic because I want to see it in all its glory. Yes. Look at this. It's beautiful. It also comes with a postcard. Oh my god. And a bunch of illustrations. This was definitely a good buy. And behind it says, "Don't you hear the screams?" Oh, I relate. So yeah, because you know I'm trying to make like a little Machado de Assis collection along with Clarice Lispector, which is really hard because she has a lot of books, and Ariano Suassuna, but my collection of Ariano Suassuna is already done. So now we go to this big box, which you've already seen is from Intrínsecos. So Intrínsecos is a box that it's a subscription box that you pay for, and you get a book and a gift every month. And I've been like really stoked with the production, and I saw in the website that you can buy past boxes, so I couldn't help myself, and I think I bought 2 past boxes. Let me see. Yes, 2. Oh, and it came in the box. Oh. The 2 past boxes. I just love this. I love this. So we get to do more unboxing. So let's go to the first box here. I need more coffee. Let's see what this is. Oh, what is this? The first one arrived with this thing that I'm thinking is like a book sleeve. Oh my god. I love it. And it's so pretty. It has, I don't know what this is, geese? On the, it's definitely not geese, something Asian. On the sea. It's beautiful, and you can, what is this for? You can take it with you like a purse. You can take your book with you like a purse. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna be such a nerd, and I love it. Oh, and you can, there's a thing for you to close it, and just kill me right now. This is, let's go to the book. So I love that they always come wrapped in like paper used for the books. So see, this is the book, and you open it. And this one is pachinko. Oh, I'm so glad. So you get the postcard, which you know I love. And the postcard usually comes with the normal cover. So I'm gonna have to tear it into this. So it comes with a little magazine about the book and about the writer of the book and why they chose this book and stuff like that. And then there comes the beautiful book. With this one is gray and beautiful. So they always come just like this, but the only thing that changes is the color. So let's see the end pages. The end pages are always beautiful also. This one is not. This one is just gray. But it has the the bookmark. I forget words. It says the history failed with us, but it doesn't matter. To live in the presence of those that refuse to recognize their humanity takes a lot of courage. I am dying to read this book. So every cover chapter head has these little leaves. It's beautiful, and it makes my heart flutter. And the little bag, oh my god, let's see if it fits. It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. Okay, so it doesn't fit. Intrinsical's book, but Intrinsical's books are really big, so let's try a smaller one if I have. This one is really big too. Yeah. I don't know, I still love it. It's gonna fit smaller books. By the way, my bullet journal fits perfectly in it. See? So yeah, I guess I'll be a nerd. Second box. I don't remember what I bought. Yeah, we get the wrapping. Ooh. Oh, it was Recursion by Blake Crouch. Okay, so I'm really trusting G from Book Roast on this one because she loves Blake Crouch and I am not really into science fiction, so I'm really trusting her on this one. So this thing is it's a little box to put all your postcards that you get from Intrinsicals. This is the Recursion postcard, so you put it here. It came also with this one, which is not the book I bought. And I'm gonna put pachinko in it. You close it and it's a little box for your... I'm gonna put the rest of them here later. So let's open the book. So as always, it comes with a magazine. It introduces you the author, talks a little bit about the book, has some artwork, and this time is really yellow. So we got Recursion from Blake Crouch in yellow. Let's see. Yeah, I think these new really beautiful end pages are just in the newest ones, because this one is also just yellow, and it comes with the bookmark, and it says memory is everything. And the book is just normal, but it already looks kind of confusing because it has different perspectives and a lot of different whatchamacallit, dates and okay. Anyway, I did this to myself. So we got Recursion, a collection of beautiful dark stories, Pachinko, and The Alienist by Machado de Assis. This was so fun. And now I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys, and Hope that this vlog was fun to watch. When I edit it, I'll see it. And I hope you guys are having a better week than mine, because mine was really hard. I had some pitfalls with my depression this month, but everything is getting back to normal. Anyway, I just hope you are good. I hope you are good. You're feeling good, hopeful, wherever you are, that you are being safe and wearing your mask and getting your shots. And let's hope we get out of this plague soon. And I'll keep buying more books until it ends, because that's not just, what else can I do? So anyway, it was really nice spending this week with you guys, and I'll see you in the next week. So bye bye.